Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum dear student. Hello everyone. Due to the pandemic situation, you know very well nowadays going on over the world. So we are here to give you a knowledge through online classes. We arranged the online classes due to the lockdown period of the time. I am here to teach you science subject and very interested subject. You know science is the very interested subject, and this is the book of class 7. You can see students, and its book is consist on 13 units, and you will learn the unit number 1. What is science? What is science? And what is science means, first of all, this is our subject. We have to know the definition. What is science? Science is the system of acquiring knowledge through observation and experimentation. Through observation and experimentation, ये एक systemic knowledge है जो हम gain करते हैं observation and experimentation के through. Now come on this point. What is observation and what is experimentation? Observation means to observe something. Scientists are performing experiment into the laboratories. Other scientists, when they are wants to see the result, they also observing the experiment of that scientist that is doing a experiment. And observation and experiment is the thing when we are performing with their own hand the same experiment. I am giving you the example from the daily life. So if the boy, if a girl, if a student is making a drawing, all students are observing that. They are doing observation how the boy is making the drawing. All the students that are observed, they are doing observation when they are see that what type of drawing, what type of picture drawn by the boy that is doing the drawing, and when the same drawing will be made by those boys that were observing, that time we can say this is the experimentation. यानी कि observation क्या होती है? जब हम किसी चीज को observe कर रहे होते हैं. When the boy, जब वो boy drawing बना रहा था, तो सारे बच्चे student of the class उसे observe कर रहे थे. क्या कर रहे थे? Observation कर रहे थे कि ये drawing कैसे बना रहा है, और drawing बनाने के लिए कौन कौन सी चीजें चाहिए, marker चाहिए, colors चाहिए, पेजेस चाहिए, वो सारे ऑब्जर्व कर रहे थे उस टाइम. जब उनको कहा जाएगा कि मेक द ड्राइंग, आप ड्राइंग बनाए, तो वो उसका टाइम होगा एक्सपेरिमेंटेशन का. वो क्या होगा? एक्सपेरिमेंटेशन का. जब वो अपने हैंड से खुद ड्राइंग बनाना स्टार्ट करेंगे कि ड्राइंग में हमने ये देखा, ये ऑब्जर्व किया, ये ऑब्जर्व किया. व्हेन दे आर डूइंग विद देयर ओन हैंड, दैट इज एक्सपेरिमेंटेशन. And when they were looking at the boy who was doing a drawing, means they were doing observation. Then so many students have dreamed to become a scientist, and who is scientist? The man who understands and applies the science is called a scientist. The man who understands and applies the science is called scientist. Scientists try to improve the existing condition of the mankind. Scientists work in many fields. So many fields are given for the scientist. If you will understand and apply a lot of knowledge, so you can become a scientist. Now look at some vocabulary. The different type of branches are present, the whole in the science. Then number 1 is chemist. What are chemists? A person who engaged in a chemical experimentation. जो chemical के experimentation करते हैं ना, उन्हें क्या कहा जाता है? Chemist. उन्हें क्या कहा जाता है? Chemist. And another expert we have, that is known as an expert in the student of the life science. Student of the life science means biologist वो होते हैं जो life के बारे में study करते हैं. Means they are expert in the life study. And physicist, an expert in study of the physics. वो जो ज़्यादा इस expert होते हैं physics में, those who has expertise in the field of physics, they are called physicists. And the mathematicians. Mathematicians are an expert in our student of the mathematics. They are the student of mathematics, are expert in the number science. They are mathematician. Also student, if you want to do the expertise in the chemistry, then you can become a chemist. If you will want to become a biologist, so you have to gain a lot of knowledge about the study of life. If you want to become a physicist, then you have to study about physics. If you want to do the learn number games, if you are interested in mathematics, then choose your career as a mathematician and try to gain a lot of knowledge in the mathematics. Student, this was a small and basic lecture for you for today, and I am going to give you now from these all lecture little bit assignment. That assignment for you is you will write and memorize the vocabulary that is given on page number 3. Page number 3, you will write and memorize the vocabulary. Stay tuned and wait for your next lecture.